And welcome to Wrexham Volkswagen. Today I'm going to show you around this fantastic Volkswagen Passat. This is the 2-litre diesel R-Line estate, finished in deep black pearlescent paint. With it being the R-Line, you've got all your chrome detailing, so you've got your chrome grille and your R-Line badging. You can see you've got really lovely alloy wheels. Now this car is a pre-reg car, so it's only got delivery miles on it, so it is nearly new. You've got all your chrome window surround and roof rails and your rear tinted windows. You've also got folding door mirrors as well, and they are heated, so it gives you that extra bit of security. A fantastic feature is the electric tailgate. So if you hold the release on the key, if you hold it down, the boot will open for you, so it's perfect when you've got your hands full. And as you can see on the inside, there's plenty of room in there, so you definitely won't be struggling for space with this car. You've got the push button close, or alternatively, you just hold the button down on the key and it'll just close for you. Perfect when you're in a rush. You can see it's in a really fantastic condition. There's no marks or scrapes or anything like that. Onto the inside, you've got the really lovely Nappa leather, and you have got 3-zone climate control, so this would be a perfect family car. Plenty of space in the back there if you had children travelling along with you. So I'll get in the car and I'll start it up and I'll show you the features on the inside. So inside you've got your touchscreen display. You have got your Discover navigation system in there as well. And as you can see, it's really clear and easy to use. You've also got App Connect, so you can connect your phone with Android Auto, Apple CarPlay or MirrorLink, depending on what device you've got. Underneath you've got your 3-zone climate control. You have got front heated seats as well, so it's perfect in the winter to keep you nice and warm. And this one is a manual. You've got your driving mode selector, so you can choose between the different modes depending on how you want the car to feel while you're driving. You've also got front and rear parking sensors, so it's perfect for getting in and out of those awkward spaces. Underneath you've got your electronic parking brake with auto hold. You've got really lovely silver insert on the dash and on the doors. And I'll give you a close-up of the seats. Really lovely leather, really luxurious and really comfortable. You've got your R-Line embroidery on there as well. They look really sporty. Onto your steering wheel. You have got adaptive cruise control with front assist and lane assist, so it's perfect for motorway driving. You've also got your automatic lights and your controls for your heated and folding door mirrors as well. So I really hope you like the car. If you are interested or have any questions, please give us a call. Thank you.